Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the latest discoveries in science and conservation. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share another fascinating story with you today. As we take our first steps on this journey, let's talk about a group of creatures that are often overlooked, but are incredibly important to their ecosystems: frogs. Specifically, Neotropical frogs, which can be found in the lush rainforests and vibrant wetlands of Central and South America. Researchers have been studying these fascinating amphibians, and what they've found is quite alarming. Climate change, it seems, is having a profound impact on the phylogenetic endemism of neotropical frogs. But what does that mean exactly? Simply put, phylogenetic endemism refers to the unique evolutionary history of a species or group of species that can be found in a specific geographic region. According to a recent study published in Nature Communications, climate change is projected to shrink the phylogenetic endemism of neotropical frogs. This means that as temperatures rise and habitats are disrupted, many of these unique frog species will be pushed towards extinction, taking their distinct evolutionary histories with them. The researchers used advanced computer models to simulate the effects of climate change on neotropical frog populations, and the results were striking. They found that many of these species will be unable to adapt quickly enough to the changing environmental conditions, leading to a significant loss of biodiversity in the region. This is not just a problem for frogs, however. The loss of phylogenetic endemism can have far-reaching consequences for entire ecosystems, as each species plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. As we consider the implications of this research, we're reminded of the importance of conservation efforts and the need to protect these unique and fascinating creatures. We'll be exploring more stories like this throughout the season, so be sure to tune in for more updates from the world of science and conservation. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. On Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we continue our journey through the natural world, I'd like to share with you a fascinating tale that combines technology and wildlife observation. You know, as a naturalist, I've always been keen on spotting birds and animals in their habitats, but sometimes the limitations of our human eyes can hinder us from witnessing the full majesty of nature. Imagine being able to observe wildlife under the cover of darkness, without disturbing them or relying on artificial light sources. Sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Well, thanks to advancements in technology, we now have access to incredible tools that can enhance our observations and bring us closer to the creatures we're trying to spot. I'm excited to talk about these remarkable double-barreled digital night vision binoculars that are taking the world of wildlife observation by storm. With their 2.3-inch HD screen and infrared brightness adjustment, you can now get up close and personal with nocturnal animals without startling them. The 4x zoom feature allows you to observe even the smallest details, making it an invaluable tool for any nature enthusiast. But what really sets these binoculars apart is their built-in camera and video recorder. Imagine being able to capture stunning footage of a buck in its natural habitat, or snap a photo of a rare bird species under the light of the moon. The possibilities are endless, and with the included TF card, you can easily transfer your recordings to your computer and share them with the world. As someone who's spent years observing wildlife, I can attest to the importance of having the right tools for the job. These night vision binoculars are a game changer, and at just $104.97, they're an absolute steal. Whether you're a seasoned naturalist or just starting out on your nature walking journey, I highly recommend investing in a pair. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, it's essential to remember that technology can be a powerful ally in our quest for knowledge and understanding. By embracing innovative tools like these night vision binoculars, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the creatures that inhabit our planet, and work towards a future where humans and wildlife coexist in harmony. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk, as we venture into the fascinating world of conservation efforts and explore the ways in which we can make a positive impact on the environment. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating story about the latest discoveries in immunology. You might have heard of innate lymphoid cells, or LCAs, which are crucial for our immune system's defense against pathogens and foreign substances. But did you know that researchers have recently identified a new population of these cells residing in the vasculature of mouse lungs? This breakthrough study, published in a prestigious scientific journal, sheds light on the diverse roles that LCS play in maintaining tissue homeostasis and responding to infections. The team of scientists, led by Dr. Yufeng Wang, used cutting-edge techniques such as 3D imaging and RNA sequencing to characterize this novel subset of LCAs. What's remarkable about these cells is their ability to interact with the surrounding vascular environment, influencing blood vessel function and immune cell trafficking. The researchers found that these vasculature-resident LCAs produce specific cytokines and chemokines that help regulate the immune response in the lungs. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of respiratory diseases, such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. By uncovering the mechanisms by which these LCAs contribute to lung health and disease, scientists may be able to develop new therapeutic strategies to target these cells and improve treatment outcomes. As we continue to explore the complexities of the immune system, it's clear that there's still much to learn about the intricate relationships between different cell types and tissues. This study serves as a testament to the power of interdisciplinary research, combining techniques from immunology, vascular biology, and genomics to reveal new insights into the workings of our bodies. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.